Hello everyone, my full name is Muhammad Maulana M. Yakin. I'm from Humble Class. I'm from Sampang Madura. I am a study CTC program at 172 172. I was given uh, a segment by Mr. Fu or Mr. Fuad Al-Mudakin to make a 20 minutes video to evaluate my English skill. So in this video I will tell you about my experience when I studied at Islamic boarding school at the beginning when I want to go to boarding school. I was actually get my uncle. My uncle said studying a boarding school was fun and enjoyable. Happy. Boarding school happy. Because I was influenced by him. Forget my parents and said I really want to study a boarding school. I told my parents I want to go to a boarding school. I want to go to boarding school now. If I don't go now, I don't want to go until I grow up. At team, my parents we at team my parents were my parents were confused because I was still very young. But since they had to utter college finally the finally get to send me to a boarding school after studying after a straight living in the boarding school. I felt a little rest because I present at home was more comfortable than boarding school. However, after about 2 months, I began to understand that living in boarding school was was actually was actually was actually in a boarding school was actually fun. It was fun because we could meet many deficit people. My friend came from Singapore. His name was Rocky. He was very smart, especially in Nahu and Saraf, Arabic grammar. Arabic grammar. He understand classical Islamic books faster than me. Rocky and I become close friends because we had the same hobby, which was drawing. When we fell, when me, when we felt bored to reading books, we usually draw parents into into library because I want it. I it was very hot because it was crowded with many students. That was we that we proceeded in drawing the library at the time I was years old and Rocky was 8 years old. We started le- 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 mulai learning to draw graffiti. Uh, graffiti, helps and landscapes based 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 studying religious lesson drawing become our favorite drawing become favorite. Hmm. Drawing become our favorite activity after drawing. Many students the boarding school would come to the library we we competent our drawings. We share usually the loser had to messenger the winner. I done less long and it was just joke. We also did we also tested each hour for fun on holiday, especially free day. Rocky and I and me, Rocky and me often locked for empty classroom to sleep in the was quiet and practiceful, so called sleep will until the next activity. However, how activity 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 uh, the security of which usually checked keamanan every corner the boarding school to make sure all students join the activity or daily in the boarding school were very bus on normal day. We walk up, we walk, uh, we walk, we walk, kami bangun. We walk, we walk up at 3 a.m. and went to mosque to perform tahajjud prayer. After that, recite Asmaul Husna, the 29 names of Allah until subuh. After after subuh, after subuh, we recite Asmaul Husna. After subuh, we did morning zikir until 5 a.m. Then we returned to the dormitory and did dormitory activities as reading Islamic books or Al-Barzanji until sunset. After sunset, we forward duha prayer to took a bath. The quickie for bathing was very long. The moments up to 6 people after bathing. After bathing, we called cottes, and at uh, 7:30 a.m. We had to in class with student in class until 29 29 eh 12:10 p.m. Then pro then we parade the player Cho in Changretion, Duhur player. After Duhur, we usually read Surah Yasin, but on Tuesday we practiced reading Islamic books, especially Hadis Arba'in Nawawi. A team I stayed in Tahfidz dormitory, but fortunately I did memorize much, and now I have forgotten many them. At around 1:20 p.m. we reset until Asar player at 3:50 p.m. After Asar, we log a bed again because at 4:30 p.m. we had to attend class for musyawarah until until 6 p.m. After that, we went to the mosque to perform Maghrib prayer and dhikr, then recite then Quran until 7 p.m. After that, study Islamic books went the January door. After after the recite the Quran until 7 p.m. After that, we student Islamic Islamic box Islamic box Islamic box Islamic box with the dormitory at Mitrasan until 9 p.m. From 9 p.m. to 8 p.m. we reset from 8 p.m. to 10 p.m. We had uh, co we heard uh, study study teams or study together. Some study had extra lesson with teacher until uh, 11 p.m. Some teams there were activities like reading Burdah or Hizib players uh, until 1 a.m. 1 a.m. The activity usually happened on week. This all. Thank you very much. Thank you very much. Wassalamualaikum.